everyone, I'm Kristel and Celemin from the Batangas State University, Alangilan Campus, taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from the section 2105.
Hello everyone! This video is all about the Packet Tracer of the Chapter 8. Packet Tracer Skills Integration Challenge. We have here the addressing table. The addressing table has a device interface, IPv4 address, subnet mask, IPv6 address, and prefix. So, they have also the default gateway. We have the scenario. As a network technician familiar with IPv4 and IPv6 addressing implementations, you are now ready to take an interest as an existing network infrastructure and apply your knowledge and skills to finalize the configuration. In this activity, the network administrator has already configured some commands on the routers. Do not erase or modify those configurations. Your task is to complete the IPv4 and IPv6 addressing scheme, implement IPv4 and IPv6 addressing, and verify connectivity. So the requirement. So this is the what we're going to do. So the first requirement is configure the initial settings on branch A and branch B, including the hostname, banner, lines, and passwords. Use Cisco as user exec password and class as the privileged exec password. Encrypt all passwords. LAN A1 is used. Next is LAN A1 is using the subnet 172.20.16.0/23. Assign the next available subnet to LAN A2 for a maximum of 250 hosts. LAN B1 is using the subnet 2001 colon B DB8 colon FADE colon 00FF colon /64. Assign the next available subnet to LAN B2. Finish documenting the addressing scheme in the addressing table using the following guidelines. Assign the first IP address for LAN A1, LAN A2, LAN B1, and LAN B2 to the router interface. Then for the IPv4 networks, assign the last IPv4 address to the PCs. For the IPv6 networks, assign the 16th IPv6 address to the PCs. Configure the router's addressing according to your documentation. Include an appropriate description for each router interface. Branch B uses FAAT double colon B as a link local address. Configure PCs with addressing according to your documentation. The DNS server addresses for IPv4 and IPv6 are shown in the topology. Verify connectivity between the IPv4 PCs and between the IPv6 PCs. Verify the IPv4 PCs can access the web page at the central PKA. Verify the IPv6 PCs can access the web pages at central v6.pka. So here there is suggested scoring rubric. So we will do it first the configuration in the branch A. Then the CLI, then enter. So enable, then the configure terminal. And then we will first change the host name. So this host name. Then we will put the branch A. And then we will put the banner. So like let's say warning, authorize person. After that, so we will put the passwords. So we'll first do for line. So that is line console. So 0, and then we'll put the password. Password is Cisco. Then we will log in. So this password is for the user exact password. So then log in. Then we will secure also our line BTY. Line BTY 0 space 15. So it has a 16 port. So in programming it started counting at 0. So that's why it is 0 space 50. Then we will put the password. So the password for that is uh, Cisco also. Then Cisco. And then we will log in again. And then after we log in, uh, we will exit to save this. So we get we will put the IP address of this. So that's config. Then we will put the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 first. Then IP address. IP ad- the IP address of that is 172.20.16.1, and the subnet mask of 255.255.254.0. So after that, so we will configure again for the we'll first put the no shutdown to save our configuration. So next one is the for the interface 0/1. So we will put again the IP address. So IP dot so the 172.20.18.1, and the subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. So after that, so we will again put the no shut to save it. So we will save it all. So it's okay. So we are done in branch A. So we will do that in the branch B. So enable then the config C. Then the host name. So the host name for this one is branch B. So after the branch B, so we will put the banner PD. Say again a warning person only. And then after that, so we will put the password. Time console 0. After that, the password Cisco. Cisco. after that, so we will put login. Then we will secure our BTY line. So line BTY 0 space 15 again. And we will put the password Cisco. After that, so we will log in. And then we will put the password for the privilege at sec. So that is enable secret. So class. And then to encrypt the password, so we will put the service password encryption. Encryption. So next we will put the IP address. So that is a interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 first. 0/0. Then in the branch B, so we will use the IPv6 address. So that is the IPv6 address. Then the address 1, and then D or capital DB8, then FADE, then 00, then FF, then double, then 1/64. So after that, so we will put the no shot for it to for them to save. Then we will put for the gigabit Ethernet 0/1. So that is also interface the interface gigabit 0/1. So that is the shortcut. Then the IPv6 also. IPv6 address, the the one, and then DB8, then uh, the FADE, and then the 0100, then 1/64. 1/64. So the no shutdown command also. No shut. So after that we will end it, and then we will save all our configuration. So we are done configuring our branch A and branch B, so you can see that. So let's just wait for a few minutes or few seconds to make it red. So the next that we will do is uh to put the IP address of the PC. So these are the so we'll put first the PCA1, the desktop, then IP configuration. IP address of this is 172.20.17.254, and the subnet mask of uh, 255. So we will change it. So 255.255.254.0. And then the default gateway of this one is the IP address of our router, the gigabit Ethernet 0/0, because it is connected to 0/0/. So the 172.20.16.1. So we are done here. So let's go to PCA2. So 172.20.18.254, and then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. The default gateway again is the 172, so the gigabit Ethernet 0 slash 2, 0 or 0 slash 1. A while ago we used the 0 slash 0, so now we will put the default gateway for the 0 slash 1. The 20.18.16 or the 20.1, 18.1. So we are done here. So next one is PCB1. Stop config. So here we will use uh, the IPv6 address. So for that we will put the 2001, then DB8, DB8, and then the FADE, then 00, FF, then colon, then 10 slash 64, and then for the default gateway we will put the FE80, then B. So for the last desktop, this one, so we will put again the IPv6, so that is also 2001. After that, so that is DB8, then the plane, then the 0100 slash 10 slash 64. And for the default gateway, we have the FE80B. So I think we were done configuring. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.